Hey, it's your friend Jake Strack, the CEO of miingl, just here to show you how to set someone as or invite someone to be a co-host on your miingl event. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to app.miingl.com and then just go ahead and log in. I'm going to log out just so that you see the whole process. And I just log in using my Google. Now you guys all know my email, so if you wanted to send me a message, you could. I probably will not respond from that email, but if you try, I might. So then go to My Events. You're going to be looking for the event that is yours that you want to add a co-host. So a good example is, let's go ahead and go in here. And what you're going to want to do is go to Edit Event. And then you're going to want to go down to invite you. Well, you're going to want to find the user that you want to make a co-host right here. And you're going to want to sit and say invite to co-host. Now that person should be getting a co-host invite. All right, that's the end of the tutorial. Super easy, super simple. Once again, Jake with miingl, COO. If you need anything, reach out to me and I'll record a video and send it over to you. Thanks.